guys, welcome back to our channel. So we are here at Disney's Old Key West. We are in a deluxe studio and it's near the hospitality house. So it's a pretty good spot because you definitely want to be near the hospitality house for bus reasons and also just to be close to the pools or the dining or any of the shopping as well and guest services too. So once you enter the door, there's not really any kind of foyer area at all. So really it just kind of goes right into the room. So we have two double beds. So there's one right here, and there's going to be a big window looking out. We are on the second floor, so there's like a little bit of a view on the other side. So you would look out. It's pouring today, so it's not like the prettiest view, but there's a lot of trees and all. And then you have the TV over in this area. It's a very small TV, but I heard they are changing them. So we'll see if they're going to be any bigger, but it is very small though. And some storage if you want to put some of your stuff in here. And they do also have a DVD player. So if you have kids and they want to bring some movies, you can do that if you're going to be staying a while, because it is also a DVC property. So you can be staying here a while and maybe they want to do things like that, watch movies, all that. Over here, there's going to be a nightstand with a very old phone. It's very old, but it does have updated outlets here to use as well with the USB plugs, also with the regular outlets too. And there's a couple drawers in here. There's a Holy Bible in there as well. And then this is the second bed. We are checking out now, so that's why it looks like a little bit messy. But this is the second bed, same as the first. They're just two double standard beds. And then over here is going to be the balcony. So we did have a balcony with it as well. Again, it's not the prettiest today, but it is like a decent sized balcony. You can fit like a little table and two chairs. And you can see both sides. You have a view of the golf course here. And if you look over to the right, you can see a little bit of the lake as well over there. The only thing I would say though, you are really close to neighbors here. So like this is someone else's room right there. So if they have their blinds open or anything, you could see right inside as well as they could with us too. And now James will take over for the rest.
So nice little table area here to eat. Again, it's DVC, so it is gonna always have a little dining room area. This is just a studio. Over here is a nice little room layout. Kind of shows you everything is in the room. It's a nice little touch. Artwork's kind of cool. Shows you how far you are from the keys. Going to this kind of middle room here. So we have a closet. You have a lot of stuff you would need, especially if you're gonna be here for a little bit. Extra pillows, irons, hangers, luggage racks, brooms, dustpans, vacuums. Actually, two vacuums. Fire extinguisher, etc. So nice little stocking room. Joining door there, just so you guys know, and the thermostat next to that.
Joining door. And also the garbage is over there as well.
Fridge over here. Nice size fridge. So we have stuff to take out of this.
Oh, we have stuff. Okay.
So nice size fridge there. Under here you have some, soaps, paper towels, sponges, coffee maker, microwave, ice bucket. We already used them up, but there was some like utensils and plates there, paper and plastic. I'll come into the bathroom again. Sorry, check it out. Nice bathroom. Definitely redone recently. The sink, the mirror, the vanity, the whole thing's pretty new. Nice condition. It's actually nice material.
The flooring's nice too.
The flooring's nice, yeah. You can tell it was recently redone. Hair blower. There's anything in here. Here's extra toilet paper and tissues. Full size mirror. Fortunately, from beside a lot of mirrors. I think this one, the one behind, is the only two mirrors in the room.
Yeah.
This one negative.
But at least there's a full size one.
Yeah.
They do have.
Your towels here. The toaster's not normally here. We just moved it here because we need some space over there. Toilet bowl, photo, a mirror, or window doesn't really go anywhere.
It's a window outside to the front. But if you leave the bathroom door open when you're sleeping, you could see it looks like a big light that's left on the bathroom.
And here's your shower bath combo. It was very nice actually. Shower was nice. The water pressure was nice. Bath was nice. The hot water came out real nice and lasted, so it wasn't a quick shower. You actually could take your time and relax. And then Disney has the H2O products over here, all built into the wall, so you can't steal them, but they're very nice as well.
Yeah, so if you leave like body wash, shampoo, conditioner, they have that here.
Do you think the other soaps were over here?
Oh yeah, so there's a lot of, so they give like a full-size body lotion as well, along with like a soap, and they always give you extra of them. It's not focusing. They always give you extra of them as well. And what else did they give? Was there something else too? Yeah.
Hotel's great.
Okay.
I mean, it's only issue is the transportation, I would say, where you can't use a boat or monorail or ferry to get to theme parks. You can use a boat to get to Disney Springs. Everything else is bus, and the bus system here is kind of crappy, especially because it's such a big resort. The buses take 15 minutes to go through the whole resort, so that's a little annoying. Only other negative would be, to me, the lobby area. The lobby is very, very small. The gift shop is very, very small. The quick service place is outdoors, and it has only a couple tables. So it's missing a lot of those extra touches that other deluxe hotels would have in terms of large lobbies and large space to hang out. But besides that, the hotel is beautiful, very nice pool. There's three pools in the hotel. There's an arcade, a fitness center. I think it has another arcade I read. A couple of small eatery options. Olivia's a great restaurant. It's a hidden gem in Disney. And just the scenery, ambiance, staffing was just amazing. No complaints there. I guess the only real complaint would be the transportation was really the only issue. And then again, wishing there was a larger indoor lobby / quick service gift shop area that you can kind of hang out in, because they're kind of all separate. They don't connect. They're all separate little rooms, so it's all small. But overall, it was a great stay. Definitely rent with DVC rental points. So you stay here, you can get it for a lot cheaper. We stayed here for 5 nights and we spent like $1,300, which isn't bad at all. It's only a couple $100 a night. If you go on Disney's website to book it as a normal resort stay, you're gonna be looking more at $400, $300 a night. If not in the high 400s. Again, the DVC rental is not always available, so definitely check into dvcrentalstore.com. I think that's everything I got.
I was just looking at your hat.
Oh.
Sorry. There's a little Mickey on the hat.
All right, thanks, guys.
Thank you.